Let's go ahead, Max. Let's try them out. What do you say?
Yep.
All right. Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Next one. Last one.
Okay, there you go.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Ray.
And this is Max.
And this is Drunk Words, Drunk Thoughts. Super special episode for you guys. As you can see, we are doing rainbow shots. If you came here, it's because you read the title of the video or you saw the thumb.
Yeah.
But this is everything you're gonna need right here. So, what we're gonna do, go ahead and jump right into it for you. First thing we're gonna need, bartender Max as always, is we are going to use 1 ounce of grenadine. That's how we're going to start filling up our shaker cup.
Yep.
So let's get it done. All right, 1 ounce of that. Perfect. Then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to fill our shaker almost completely with ice here.
And why are we doing that?
This is so we can stack the layers, Max. Thanks for asking. There you go. That's good. Okay, next we're going to do 3 ounces of our margarita mix. So, important, you're going to want to pour these 3 ounces over the back of a spoon. We've got our little bar spoon right here. Go ahead and pour it in. Just right on the spoon, just how Max is doing it. That's perfect. Perfect. Let's get that last ounce in there.
Yep.
1 more to go. Now this is going to be followed by our 3 ounces of orange juice. Again, you're pouring it directly on the spoon. Everything is poured on the spoon. Okay, brilliant. Thank you, Max. Yeah. All these layers are just doing exactly that. They're stacking. The ice helps keep them solidified until it is time to pour. But, perfect. Now it's going to be followed by 1 ounce of vodka. We got our Gatineau brand vodka for you guys. Classic Star Vodka. That is what it's called. So we're going to do 1 ounce of that. The second Max can get it open. Perfect.
Thought it wasn't strong enough.
Nah, you were, man. I knew you had it in you. Brilliant. Yeah, get that in there. Okay. Find it. There you go. Excellent. Now we're going to do 1 ounce of blue. The second you pour the blue in, right after you're done, it's basically got to put the strainer right on, and then the second, go ahead and pour those shots. Let's pray to God I don't fuck this up, guys. No promises at all. All right. The clock is ticking. If you've ever been to chemistry class or failed it, there's a lot going on right now. There you guys have it. The rainbow. Taste the rainbow. All right. Let's go ahead, Max. Let's try them out. What do you say?
Yep.
All right. Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Next one. Last one.
Okay, there you go.
It gives new meaning to the phrase, taste the rainbow.
Yep, absolutely.
So there you have it, guys. Super simple, super easy to make. Again, it's a race against the clock. The second you put the first ingredient in, make sure your ice is cold. Make sure that you're following us every Sunday because we do drop new videos. I'm Ray.
This is Max.
And this has been Drunk Words, Drunk Thoughts. Please don't forget to leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed to us already, please do. We're on our way to 100 subscribers. Help us get there.
Yeah.
Keep things 100 as you can see. And what do we do to the notification bell?
We hit the bell. Let's go.
Thanks so much, guys. We're out.
Cheers.